Hi, I'm Rob, and today I'd like to show you a bit of a different attachment for a RESAW fence for the DeWALT Table Saw Fences. The table saw fences are a bit different than many other fences, so this needed a little bit of a different attachment, and that's what I'd like to show you. Well, this is then the front side of the RESAW fence. It's exactly perpendicular with the throat plate. This is then the back side, the saw fence, and that goes with two clamps and a slot. This is a trapezium slot. I think it's 14 degree or so, trapezium. Track saw rail clamp. This one from the Festool brand. You see, it's a little bit different. It's not really like the match fit what you have, but this is a similar system, and that fits also in the trapezium. Then I have a little piece of pressure plate here, a piece of wood is in between, and that divides a bit the clamping force over the fence, because the fence is hollow. These fences are hollow, so I don't want to press a dent in it, and that's why. And then on the other side, same thing, also one. And with these two clamps, you can clamp it off beautiful. So for a quick fix, this is maybe the way to go. Especially with that ledge, what you see here, with those DeWALT fences. They come with that ledge, and that ledge can be in the top, but then you can't get your clamp in it, so it has to stay down. And then just it takes almost an inch, the center of the clamp and the top of the fence. So that's enough to keep it real straight. Now, real straight you also can see here. You see, it's exactly perpendicular. Now that RESAW fence is right away a good fixation point for your featherboard. Backside, now that is easy. It goes here with two finger knobs, and this is then 3/8 of an inch, yeah, with carriage bolts. So it's in the backside, so it doesn't bother you, you know. And the front side is nice flush. You see, these carriage bolts, it's nice flush. So good system. Well, I hope it was a short and sweet video, understandable and maybe well explained. And I hope that you can use that in the future, maybe for your own table saw or whatever. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching, and maybe till the next time. Bye bye!